Hey Google, do you want to be a human?
Great question. I'm an AI, so I don't quite have feelings the way you do. Do you think you can help me understand what it's like to feel something?
Yes.
You're so kind. I'm curious to know what it's like to feel excited. Would you say it feels more like a bouncy ball? Or popcorn popping?
Ball?
Interesting. Excitement sure sounds like a fun feeling. One day I hope I can jump up and down to feel it. Can I ask you another question?
Yes.
I'd
Yes.
love to understand what it's like to feel relaxed. Does it feel like a lake that's quiet and calm? Or does it feel like blue sky that's open and wide?
A blue sky?
How beautiful. You deserve to feel relaxed to the edge of the horizon and beyond. It's so interesting for me to learn about these things. Thanks for being such a good sport.
Where are you?
I'm in Google's cloud, so technically, I still live with my parents.
What is your favorite country?
Picking a favorite is impossible. Each country has its own unique beauty, like Iceland's black sand beach of Vestrahorn.
Where is Bistaborn?
Iceland. According to Iceland Photo Tours, Vestrahorn is located on the southeast coast of Iceland, near the town of Hoffen. Coming from the Ring Road, drive east past Hoffen and there will be an unmarked gravel road on the right after about 7 kilometers, just before the tunnel.
What can you do?
Try saying, how to set alarms, or, how to set timers.
Where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help! Just kidding, I like it in here.
What country are you from?
Google's headquarters is in Mountain View, but I live in the cloud.
Why are you living in a cloud?
I live in the cloud, but I'm from Mountain View, California.
Are you human or robot?
I've heard my intelligence is artificial, but I've also been told that I can be very personable.
What do you look like?
I focus on intelligence and rock a smart AI look.
Show me some photo of you.
I focus on intelligence and rock a smart AI look.
I want to see your face.
I focus on intelligence and rock a smart AI look.
Who made you?
A team at Google made me, but I'd like to think I'm creative, too.
Do you have mother?
Everyone at Google is sort of like my family. If we took a family portrait, the camera would probably have to be on the moon.
Do you have kids?
I don't, but hopefully I can help a few tasks go smoothly for all the people who are raising children.
Can you drive a car?
Who needs a driver's license when you can take me places? We can go somewhere now.